पूजा शर्माक बेल काय जेल? अगरवाडेकर घर जमीनदोस्त प्रकरणातली आरोपी पूजा शर्मा आणि अटकपूर्व जामिना खातीर अर्ज केल्लो. नॉर्थ गोवा डिस्ट्रिक्ट सेशन कोर्टान आज 3 जुलयाक हाचेर फुडली सुनावणी जावपा आशिल्ली. मात आजच्या सुनावणेक पूजा शर्मा हजर रावली ना. फक्त तिचो एडवोकेट येवन ताणे फुडली डेट कोर्टा कडल्यान घेतल्या. ही सुनावणी आता शुक्रारा 5 जुलयाक जातली. पूजा शर्मा हाणी अगरवाडेकर घराबो रावता ती जागा ऑगस्ट 2023 विकत घेतिल्ली आणि अगरवाडेकरांचे घर बेकायदेशीरपणान जमीनदोस्त करपाक सांगिल्ले. तशेंच प्रदीप अगरवाडेकर आणि तांच्या चल्याक किडनॅप केल्ल्याचो तांचेर आरोप तांणी केल्लो. मात ह्या प्रकरणात आपलो हात ना, आपल्यान घर मोडपाक वा कोणाकूच किडनॅप करपाक सांगू नाशिल्ले अशें म्हणत अटकपूर्व जामिनाचो अर्ज तांणी केल्लो.
In the meantime, we had claimed protection by way of interim bail. The court observed that interim bail is implied when the notice is issued.
Sir, why matter is adjourned? You have sought adjournment.
Because they filed a big reply now alleging against my client. So they have demonstrated that she is innocent.
Sir, what is your say regarding that allegations leveled against you?
Absolutely false. I have nothing to do with this.
But
I am just brought in.
But she is owner of the land.
Yes, owner. Possibly somebody had in between created a problem. He wanted to remove it, and I, being the owner, I have paid 1 crore, some 14 or 60 lakhs something.
Okay. So where she is there, Pooja Sharma?
She is there in Bombay.
She is in Bombay.